Good afternoon, students. I will start with the class. Okay, so today's the topic is on binary operations. That will be the last topic on relation and functions. So that is indicated by a star, this symbol. Okay, so an operation star on a set A is a function from A cross A to A. When I directly start with an example, if A is given to you any set, okay, 1, 2, 3, this is suppose one set given, and then they will give you an operation. Okay, so the operation right now here is A star B is equal to A plus B. Now this is called as a binary operation. This is what trying to tell you what is that A and B are related by some sign. It could have been plus, it could be minus. This is not a multiplication sign. Don't consider it is A into B. Huh? This is just a binary symbol. Okay, so it is not a multiply sign. It is just telling you that A and B are related by some operation. Now, how they are related, this sign will indicate. Now, this is A plus B. You could also have A minus B. You could also have A into B. This is multiply sign over here. Okay, so A into B or A divided by B or anything. So this is just a common sign for a binary operation. Okay, not a multiply sign. Do not get confused between multiply and this. So this is only to tell you that they are related. Now, on main thing you have to look on the right hand side, which are the signs they give you. Okay, so right now what they have given is that A and B are related by which sign? Plus B. So the operation is A plus B. So now what you have to do is we have to check whether this is a binary operation on this particular set or not. So you have to try this A plus B with all the numbers. So what you can do is these are like if you had taken Cartesian product with itself, you would get many pairs like 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 that way. So we will not waste time on that. So we'll try with itself. Okay, so 1 plus 1 will or A plus B will try. Okay, so 1 plus 2 will give you how much? Okay, first one you consider as A, second one you consider as B, and just put the values here. So 1 plus 2 will give you 3. Okay, you can put this star here. As per that, this will be 1 plus 2. I'm just putting the values of A and B. So how much you will get? 3. Okay, now check. 3 is there in A. Okay, so it is satisfying the condition of binary as of now. Now try another number. Okay, 2 comma 3 will try. Let this be A now, let this be B. So as per the operation, what is it? A star B means 2 star 3 will be 2 plus 3. Just substitute the values of A and B. So how much you are getting? 5. But is there 5 over here in this set? No. Okay, so whenever you do any operation, this whatever they give you, for every element you should try, okay, all the combinations 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and all, and it should work. The answer also should belong over here. But now 5 is not belonging over here. So it is not a binary operation. Okay, so 5 does not belong to A. 3 is belonging to A. Okay, so the moment any one also doesn't belong here back in this, 5 is not there in that. That's why therefore not a binary operation. If all the elements were belonging back here, okay, then it would be binary. We'll be solving some problems later on where you have to show it is binary. Okay, so this is just an example for you to understand what exactly binary means. Means whatever function they give you, you just have to put the numbers and see if the answer is belonging back to the main set. If it is not belonging, even one answer is not belonging, then it is not binary. So this is the basic definition of binary operation. Now there are types of binary operations. Okay, first one is commutative type. So this is very important for you to remember, because certain places they will ask you, show that it is commutative. So you should know that what is the condition for commutative. This is the condition. A star B, whatever you try, you should try reverse also, and both the answers should be same. So this is the condition for commutative. Whenever A star B, if you solve, you will get some answer. Same you have to solve B star A, you will get answer. Both the answers should be equal. Only if they are equal, then it is commutative. If both are turning out to be different answers, then it is not commutative. So this is the condition for commutative. Second one, associative. Again, this condition also you should know. Okay, what you have to do is, best option, write A star B star C on both the sides. Okay, both the sides you just write the same thing, A B C A B C. Now only difference is you have in putting brackets. This side you put bracket for first two. Here you put bracket for last two. Okay, so first write A, B, C completely, then put bracket for the first two and this. So depends on how you solve. So first what you have to do on the left hand side, solve this. Whatever answer you get, then you have to solve with this fellow. Here what you have to do, first solve this. Whatever answer you get, you have to solve with A. Okay, as we solve problems, you will understand. But this is the main condition you should know for associative. Okay, both the answers when you solve should turn out to be the same. Then there's one more condition for identity element. They will also ask you to find identity element. So another like a formula, you have to remember that whatever I put it in a box. Okay, so this is the condition you have to write before solving identity element. You cannot forget this, huh? Otherwise you will not be able to solve. Identity element, this is the condition. A star E will be equal to A, any one. Okay, the E star A or A star E. So one condition you can remember. So if they ask you to find identity element, you have to write this first and then do some calculations, which I will show you. And last, if they ask you to find inverse of an element, inverse, then this is the condition. A star B is equal to E. So this formula you have to remember for finding inverse. This formula is to find identity element and this formula is to find inverse. Slightly they are confusing, huh? Because E is over here and over here E is here. So just be careful with this. Okay. So now we'll start with the actual problems. I will understand what to do. Now the first exercise, let star be a binary operation on set of rational numbers defined as. So now the first problem which is given to you is A star B is equal to A into B upon 4. So this is the binary operation which they have given. Now we have to check whether it is that binary operation is commutative, associative. We have to find identity element and inverse also if it is existing. So now this is the relation. Previous example, how it was related, A and B were related by A plus B. Like that, this is another example. Anyhow they can relate. Okay, so now how they are related? A star B is equal to A into B upon 4. Okay, so this is the relation. Now we have to check whether it is commutative. What you have to prove? To prove, what was the condition I told you? To prove commutative, you should prove A star B should be equal to B star A. So this is what you have to prove. Answer of this should be equal to answer of this. So we'll start with the left hand side. A star B. So left hand side, A star B is already given to you. So left hand side answer is this, already they gave. So you don't have to do anything. Now right hand side. So now this is what it means. See, just see this, how they did. This was your first term, this was your second term. So what was the answer? First term into second term upon 4. Same way, this will be a first term now, second. So in short, what it will happen? Instead of A, who is replaced now? B. And instead of B, what will come? A. So it will be reversed. So first term into second term upon 4. Order I have kept the same. First into second upon 4. So this now here, who is the first term now? B. So B into A upon 4 will be your answer. So is it same as B into A is same as A into B, no? Okay. So you know that B into A is same as, so both the answers are same. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, commutative. So first one you have checked. So it is proved that it is commutative. Okay, first letter first, second letter second. Same way, first letter first, second letter second. And AB is same as BA. So I can write it as AB upon 4. Both the answers are same and it is proved as commutative. So this is the condition for commutative. Now we'll check for associative. For associative, what you have to prove? This is the condition I told you. If you forget, just write A, B, C on both the sides. And just put brackets at 2 different places. Here first, this to prove. Okay, so we'll start with your left hand side. So let us start with left hand side. Now what is the answer of this? First we have to solve this part. What is A star B already given to you? A B upon 4. Correct? As per your question, already A star B, you know that it is first into second upon 4. Now comes the point. Now you all will make mistakes. Some of you all will write only like this, A B C upon 4 and keep. It will be wrong if you write like this and keep. Now see, here it was first and second term. So what was it? First into second upon 4 was the answer. Now which is your first term? This whole thing is your first term now. And this is your second term. Okay, so as per your, what does it say? First into second upon 4. So what will be your answer? First, What is your first term? AB upon 4. What is your second term? C upon this 4. First term, second term upon 4 will be your answer. See, this is your first 1 into 2 upon 4. So what is your 1 over here? Full AB upon 4 into 2 upon this 4, main 4. Okay, so what it turns out to be, if you reverse it, it's like ABC upon 16 will be your answer. Okay, so what we have done is stepwise bracket. A star B is nothing but AB upon 4. This C I have written as it is. Now this full term you have to take as one, like a A. This AB upon 4 is like A, and this C is like a B. So A into B upon 4. Okay, so any term you have to consider this whole thing as A, and this as B, and AB upon 4. And then you will get your answer. Same way, now try the right hand side. Solve this part first. So right hand side. So we have to solve bracket first. So this is like your A and B. So as per that, what it will be answer? BC upon 4. This into this upon 4 will be your answer.
Then how we got that 16?
16, see, this is basic calculations. A, B, C upon 4 upon 4. You cannot cancel because they are not alternate. Alternate number is what? 1. So when you reverse, what will happen? A, B, C upon 4 into 1 by 4 it will become. That's why it will become A, B, C upon 16. This type you will have to know on by now. You cannot cancel alternate. You can cancel only alternate. This is not alternate. If it was something like this, 1 upon 4, then you could cancel because this was alternate. This is 4. So you have to take it as like 1. And then once you reverse it, it will become 1 by 4. And then it will become 16. Understood now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now we have to solve this part first. So BC upon 4. Now this is your first term. This is your second term. So what it will be? Same like this one now. A into BC upon 4 upon 4 again. This is like a and this is like a B. A into B upon 4. A into B upon 4. So same it will be 4 again. Similar, same concept. Again I will not repeat now. So ABC upon 16 you will get. So both the places you are getting ABC upon 16, ABC upon 16. So it is commutative. Sorry, associative. Because left hand side is equal to right hand side. So right, left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore associative. Okay, there will be many problems we'll be solving. So even if you have slightest doubts, now will get cleared. Now we have to find the identity element. So for that, I told you have to write this formula. If you forget the formula, then you cannot go ahead with the problem. So this is to find the identity element. Now solve this. A star E. So what it will be? A star B was how much? AB upon 4. A star E will be how much? Instead of B, it is just E. So when I solve this, it is nothing but AE upon 4. A and A will cancel. E will go on the other side. So your identity, this is your identity element. So identity element is 4. If anyone has not understood, ask. Just apply the same formula. A star B was what? AB upon 4. So A star E will be what? AE upon 4. And this is as per the formula which you had written. This is a fixed formula. So just apply whatever is here and then cancel whatever is getting cancelled, and your aim is to find the element E, that is the identity element. The last part is to find the inverse. So for inverse, what is the condition? A star B should be equal to E. So this is a formula for finding inverse. Okay, so as per that, AB upon 4 will be your answer. E is how much? 4. Just now you got it. So just put the value of E. So AB will be 16. B is 16 upon A. So always B will be your inverse, okay? So keep B here, take everything on the other side. Therefore, inverse is 16 upon A. You have to keep B there, take rest of the things on the other side. So B is nothing but inverse. So the inverse value is 16 upon A. So that's it with that problem. So if you are finished, you can start attempting the second one. This A star B, same way like first problem only. Okay, now second one I'll solve. Now in this second one, if you are still having some doubts, you can ask. Now
Teacher, Teacher, can you again explain that commutative part?
Okay, with this problem I'll explain, then you tell me, okay, in this also if you have not understood. Because it's similar, same problem it is, only one extra 3 is over here. Okay, so I'll start with this. In this problem, if you are not understanding, now just because I now already reached inverse. Once, because I'll have to write a whole problem again, so I'll start with this only. So in this, you tell me. So now first we'll start with commutative. Okay, so for commutative, you have to prove that A star B is equal to B star A. So take your left hand side first. What is left hand side? A star B. What is given to you? Same thing. Whatever is given. A star B is what? 3 AB upon 7. That's your left hand side. Now take your right hand side. So it will become what? Ulta, no? So instead of B, this will come first. In the same formula, what you have to imagine is, instead of A, you have to think it is B. And B, instead of that, you have to think it as A and just substitute accordingly. So B, if it is here first, here it will be B. Here if it is A, then this will be A. So accordingly, I have written. Okay. So is it not the same? 3AB is it same as 3BA? Yes. So I can write it as A into B also. So value remains the same. Okay, BA is same as AB, and therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now I'm
Identity
asking,
element is 7 by 3 and inverse is 49 by 9a.
I'm not done this problem. I'll let you know. I'll just solve it. I did not solve. If this identity is correct, it will be 3 by 7. Then it will be 3 upon 7. Yeah, correct. You can attempt the third one till then. Okay, again I'm asking if anyone having now this commutative part, anyone having doubt, then please ask. This is simple, just with two elements. First, just try with A star B, just reverse, okay, make it ulta and check whether it means the same. It is same. Okay, A into B is same as B into A, so it is the same value. So right hand, left hand side equal to right hand side. So therefore commutative. Anyone having doubt in commutative before I raise can please ask. Okay, so then we'll move on to the associative. So for associative, this is the condition I told you. Just the way how you solve first. So first one, left hand side we have to solve. Okay, so A star B is already given to you. So means what it is, A star B is how much? 3 times, this is a fixed step. 3 times first into second upon 7. Okay, now see here. This is like a A now. And this fellow is like a B now. Okay. So just apply the formula here. If this was A and this is B, so as per that, what is A star B? This is A. Full term you have to consider as A. Full term is like B. So what is A star B? 3 times A into B. Okay. 3 times A is what here now? This full thing. 3 times A into B, okay, upon 7. Now try to see whatever answer you're getting, whenever you solve, you have to consider it like A, and the second term is always B. Okay. So as per the formula, A star B is what? 3AB upon 7. So just it 3AB upon 7. And now simplify. So 9ABC, again 7 will become reverse and get multiplied here. Okay. So this will be your answer. 9ABC upon 49. Now just ask if anyone has not understood this left hand side part. So if you want, you write like this and keep. Imagine this whole thing as A, the whole thing as B, and that's why you're applying 3A into B upon 7. Okay. Just have to look at this main formula and apply. Now we'll solve the right hand side part. Now B star C we have to solve first because this is a bracket first here. So A you write like this. So this is like your A and B. So as per that formula, what it will be? 3 BC upon 7. At least this part it should be simple enough. Instead of A, it is B and C. So it will be 3 BC upon 7. Now, this is your A, this is your B. First term is A, second term is B. So as per that, what will be the formula? What is A star B? Nothing but 3 into A into B. What is B? This full thing. Okay. So finally, you'll get the same answer. 9. 7 will reverse and become 49. So both the sides will get the same answer. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 3A into B upon 7. Okay, this is the easier, meaning simplest way I can explain to you is this. Imagining this as A, this whole thing as B. Okay. Now, who was asking that doubt? Now, is it clear? Ashley was, I don't know who, someone, I can't recognize the voices. Who was asking that doubt? Is it clear to you? Event Gayab. Next is to find identity element. Third part, A star E is equal to A. So now, instead of B, it is E. So as per that formula, it will be 3A upon 7. A star B was 3AB upon 7. So A star E will be 3A upon 7. So A and A will cancel. 7 will go here. Is 7 by 3. Okay. And for inverse, okay, take things on the other side. So B will be 49. A will come down. Okay, so inverse is same way. Then I'll have to do the third one. Okay, third one is up to you all to solve. A star B is 2AB upon 5. Identity element will be 5 by 2.
2.
Yeah, and that will be 25
25 by
upon
4 A.
A. Correct. Okay, so this was about finding identity element. Now you can move on to the next problems. Question number 4. Third one you all have to solve. Huh? Next we have to check whether this is only to find whether it is commutative and associative, huh? Not identity element. Okay, so this is the question, first one. Then no need to worry on that. That on n natural numbers on z plus, it's fine. That they will give for formality. You just have to look at this. Left hand, so to prove, this is for commutative. Huh? So A star B will be, okay, now right hand side B star A. So it will be B plus A upon 2. So obviously A plus B is same as B plus A. Okay, so therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, then to check for associative. So I'll directly start with the left hand side. This I'm checking for associative. So as per that, okay, now those who have still not understood can again concentrate here and try to understand now. As per the form, what is the main formula? A star B is first plus second upon 2. So this is like a now, and this fellow is like a B now. So what is A star B? A plus B upon 2. So A star B will be nothing but A. Why right now what is the A? This full thing. A plus B. B means what? Upon 2. A plus B upon 2. This formula, main formula you have to follow. Okay. And now simplify this. So first this will get cross multiplied. Okay. And then this upon 2. You cannot cancel this because this is not alternate. Then it will reverse and become 4. So this will be your left hand side. Still anyone having doubts, get it cleared. Right hand side. Those who have finished can move on. There are many problems. You can keep solving. Try. Later you can get it corrected. Okay. This will be second part. Right hand side will be. Okay. So as per that, B plus C upon 2. Okay. This B star C will be B plus C upon 2. Now this is like a, and this whole thing is second term is always a B. So A star B will be A plus B upon 2. Okay. First term star saying first plus second upon 2. And now this will cross multiply. So 2A now if you notice, answers are not the same. Here C is multiplied by 2. So if C is some different value, and here A is multiplied by 2. Okay. So if here also it was 2C, then only both answers would have been correct. But now this is 2 times A and this is only single A and this is single C and 2 times C. So both the answers are not matching now. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. If you can want, any of this you can write on, no problem. Not equal, not associative. Okay, then you can try the second one. Second one, A star B is A minus B. Okay, so we have to check. Okay, you can directly start, no problem. In left hand side is A star B, which will be equal to A minus B. Right hand side will be what? B star A. Now B minus A. So is A minus B same as B minus A? Is 5 minus 7 will give you the same answer as 7 minus 5? No. This will give you minus 2 as the answer and this will give you plus 2 as the answer. Okay, if it was plus, then it would be okay because A plus B is same as B plus A. Or even multiply it works. But for minus, it will not work. So A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay. So that's why it is not commutative. Then to check for associative. Left hand side. So as per this, okay. Now this itself is like your first letter. This whole thing is like a A. And this fellow is B. Okay. See, A star B is what? A minus B. Fine. See, you wrote as it is. Now this full thing consider is like a first term, that is A. And this is B. So A star B will be what? A minus B. So this is like your whole A minus B. So this is your left hand side. So same way now try right hand side. So this is A minus B. Instead of B, what is this? C. I always used to study it as first term minus second, as first and second term, because these letters look everything confusing. That's why. So first star, okay, first star second term is first minus second. first minus second. Okay, so let's try the right hand side. So as per that, this will be B star C will be B minus C. So this is your first term and this is your second term. Okay, so first star second is first minus second. First star second will be first minus your second term. This whole thing will get minused. So as per that, we will get plus C. If you don't put bracket, it will be wrong because this minus middle star you are converting it to minus. Star has got converted minus. So second term, whole term will come up. Okay, so it is not the same. This is plus C, this is minus C. It's like this full term, no? So that's why first minus this full second term. Okay, so you can attempt the third one. Anyone having doubts, please ask. Okay, so left hand side, right hand side. Three raised to 2 the same answer? No. 2 cube will give you 8 and 3 square will give you 9. So reversing A raised to B and B raised to A is not the same. Okay, so therefore left hand side is not equal to, not commutative. Don't do like this, huh? 2 raised to 3 is 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 2 is also 6. Don't try that logic and all here. You all innovate than any formula and then write your own answers. Then for associative, this is A raised to B. Okay, now as per that, first into second. Okay, first raised to second term. So which is the first term here? This raised to second, meaning this first fellow raised to second fellow. Okay, so this will be your answer here. So you try right hand side if you are getting the same. This can also be written as A raised to, this will get multiplied. right hand side. This will be b raised to c, first raised to second. Now first raised to second. It means the same, a raised to b raised to c, which is also equal to
Sir, can you explain that again, LHS part?
Now this is a star b. As per the formula, what is it? First term raised to second term. First, this is same. Okay, first raised to second. Now consider this full thing. Okay. Now, as per, if you don't want to write this and confuse, you can keep it like this also. See, a raised to b, first raised to second. Okay. Whenever you are solving any problem, a raised to cube raised to, suppose you have 5. Okay, so what you'll normally do, it is same as 3 into 5, which is equal to a raised to 15. So anytime any power raised to power is there, it will always get multiplied. This is as per the rules. If you don't want to go into rules, keep it like this only. So in short, it is nothing but a raised to b raised to c. Okay. Either if you write bc also, no problem, or you want to keep it like this also, no problem. You can keep it like that only. Okay. This part. First raised to second. Same way I've done here. b star c will be b raised to c. First term raised to whole second term. This is the full second term. This raised to this. So it means the same, a raised to b raised to c. Both the sides will get the same answer. Therefore, left hand side will be equal to right hand side. First raised to second. Current went on, just bear with that board. It's okay, like you can see. I can attempt the next question till then. That is 2 raised to ab. If you have taken it as z also, no problem. Okay, so left hand side a star b is 2 raised to ab. Right hand side b star a will be 2 raised to ba. It is same. 2 into 3 will be same as 3 into 2. So it is similar to a into b. So left hand side will be equal to your right hand side. Therefore, commutative. star b is how much? Now be careful over here. It means what? A star b means what? 2 raised to a into b. So what is your a right now here? Full thing. This full thing is like a simple a. This is like a. And this is like a b. Okay. A star b will be what? 2 raised to a. Now which is your a? This full thing into okay. A star b was 2 raised to a into b. So a star b will be 2 raised to a. What is your a now? This full thing into b. Anyone who has not understood this? Best option is you'll do like this one. If you are getting confused, with a pencil you can first circle, write it as a, circle this. This is like first term is your a, second term is your b, and just put it in the formula. A star b, instead of a what will come? This full will come. Instead of b what will come? C will come. So that will be your answer. Okay, this is a raised to 2 raised to ab into c. Try right hand side same way. This will be 2 raised to bc. Now this is your first term a, and this fellow is your b. This full thing is b. So as per the formula, a star b is what? 2 raised to ab. So 2 raised to a and b. So it is not the same, no? Here 2 raised to bc is up and a is down. Here ab was up, c was down. Okay? So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Okay? Therefore, not associative. Fifth one you all should try, huh? Fifth one is up to you all. It's simple enough. Also, I'll send you all the solutions also if you all want later on. Sixth, you can try. Now, there's a modulus sign. Because there's a modulus sign, now no matter whether inside the answer was negative or positive, always you will get positive. See, still you will get positive because there's a modulus sign. 7 minus 5 will give you 2. Still answer will be 2. So whenever there's a modulus sign, always, no matter whether it is a minus b or b minus a, you will always get a positive answer. Therefore, that's why whenever there's a modulus sign, answers will be equal. So left hand side can always, if you want for your understanding, can write and keep. This also will get positive answer. Second also will get positive answer only because of modulus sign. Okay, then for associative, okay, so first minus second, no, and then outer modular sign. So this is like a A, and this fellow is like a B. Okay, so A star B is what? Modulus of A minus B. So modulus of A means what? Again smaller modulus minus B. So this will be our answer. So consider this as one whole letter A minus B in this modulus. So that will be our left hand side. Same way will be. So this will be first. Okay. And then first minus second. This is like a and this fellow is like a B. So A minus B. Okay, it doesn't mean the same C now. Here modulus is for B and C. Here modulus is for A and B. If you want, you always having any doubt, no, take any values and give a try. Put in both the places and see. Any random values you can take. C 5 and give a try and see if both the places if you are getting same answer. You will not get the same, I think. Just try. Here you will get 1 minus 3 minus 5. First as a modulus sign. So this will be 1. Even though minus 2, what will happen? It will become plus. Okay. Answer will be minus 1 here. Same we can try here. So 1 minus 3, 2. No, you will not get the same. Okay. So it doesn't work. Okay. You can put values and see. So left hand side will not be equal to right hand side. Therefore not associative. Okay, then seventh one. Eighth one you all do then. Huh? This is the last one I'm doing it. So left hand side. Right hand side will be B star A. So wherever there is A, it will be B, and instead of B, you just put A. So it is same as A plus B means B plus A same as this, and A into B is same as B into A. So it is same. Okay. therefore commutative. Then for associative, so it is like A star B is what? This is like a first term. Okay. So this is a bit complicated because it's a bit lengthy one. This is the same formula. A star B is what? A plus B minus A into B. So this is like a A now. And this fellow is like a B. So use the same formula here. A star B was what? A plus B minus AB. So A star B will be A means this full thing, plus B minus A into B. It's like A plus B minus A into B. What is A? This full thing. And what is B? This. So just use the main formula, consider this to be A, consider this to be B, and put everywhere. So instead of A, this will come A plus B minus AB. Okay, if you want, you can open up the bracket. So I think what you'll get is A plus B minus AC minus BC minus ABC. This is plus. Sorry, there's a minus out now. Ulta all the signs. This will be minus. This will be plus. So this will be answer when you open up the bracket. Same way try right hand side. So this will be as per the formula, first plus second and first into second. So B plus C minus BC. Okay, so this is first term, this is second term. So first plus second minus first into second. Just that same formula I'm using. What they have done is first added the two terms minus multiplied the two terms. Same thing I did. Added the two terms minus multiplied the two terms. And then open up the bracket and simplify. You won't get the same. Turning out to be same? No. There's plus C I missed out now. Just check, huh? It is same, all the terms. All are same?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. So therefore, left hand side will be equal to right hand side associative. Okay. Eighth one you can attempt. So fifth one will solve. Show that A star B is equal to A plus B minus 5 is commutative and associative. Also find the identity element. Okay, so we have to show that this is commutative and associative. Okay, so these are all from the question papers. Huh? So A star B, so left hand side. B star A will be, so it's the same. Therefore, commutative. Next is associative. This first one will. So A star B will be A plus B minus 5 star C. Okay, so what they have done is A star B is what? A plus B first term plus second term minus 5. So this is like your A and this is your B. So A plus B minus 5. A plus B minus 5. A plus B minus 5. So how much it turns out to be? A plus B plus C minus 10. Okay, same way, apply your right hand side. A star B star C. So as per the formula, what it will be is here it will be B, here it will be C. Minus 5. Okay, so this is like a A and this is like a B. A star B will be A plus B. This is B minus 5. First term, second term, A plus B minus 5. So again same answer we will get. So left hand side will be equal to, therefore associative. Just have to refer this main formula and accordingly take A first term as A, second term as B and just substitute A plus B minus 5. The last, that identity element. Wait 2 minutes, I finished, I'll come. Wait there only.
Identity element is 5.
Yeah, I think so. Wait, just A star B will be, as per the formula, A star E will be A. Okay, so A plus E plus 5 will be equal to minus 5, sorry. Minus 5 will be equal to A. A and A will cancel. E will be equal to, take it on the other side, it will become plus 5. So that will be a identity element. Okay, so use the same formula. A star B was what? A plus B minus 5. So A star E will be A plus E minus 5. Okay, so we'll stop here, or else I'll do that sixth one and then we'll stop. Okay, sixth one. A star B is equal to so you have to, sorry, I wrote the wrong one, I think. 12B. Okay, this one, sixth one. Find 2 star 1 by 3. You have to find 2 star 1 by 3. Okay, so instead of A, you have to just put 2, and instead of B, you have to put 1 by 3. So just put the values accordingly and find the answer. So A star B is this, then what is 2 star 1 by 3 they asked. So instead of A, put 2, and instead of B, put 1 by 3. And calculate your answer. 6 plus 2 by 3, 18.
20 by 3.
Yes. Okay. Check whether it is commutative. So you have to take a left hand side, right hand side, and check whether it is turning out to be the same. So left hand side, this is slightly big. A star B star C. Now this formula is A plus 12B plus AB. This is like a first term. This is a second term. So as per the formula, look at this. This is A, this is B. So just put in this formula. A star B was A. A is what now? This full thing. So this is a A. Okay, this is my A. Plus 12 times B. So B, what is there in place of B? It is C. So this full thing is A and this fellow is B. Okay, so C plus A into B. And then you can open up the bracket. Okay, then find the right hand side similarly. So as per that, now what it will be? B plus 12C plus BC. Okay. So instead of B, A, it will be B. Instead of B, it is C. As per that formula. Now this is your first term and this is your second term. So it will be A plus 12 times B means this full thing. Plus A into B, this into this. So I don't think so it will come out to be same, because here it's a 12 into 12 will become 144. So you don't even have to expand. No? Looking at this only will understand. There is no 144 term over here. So this will be 12b and 12 into 12 will become 144c. So it is not the same. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore not commutative, not associative. Okay. So the only rule over here is to understand this is the first term, this is the second term. And accordingly just substitute in your main formula. Okay.
Teacher, it was asked to find commutative.
Oh, I did associative. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So is it okay? Anyways, associative also if it was asked, then you should know how to solve it. So you can add on to that question and write associative also. So commutative, it would be still not, no? It is not commutative. This was associative. Those who want commutative, A star B will be A plus 12B plus AB. And if you want to check, okay, B star A, then it will be 12 times A is not same as first one time A. You can use the same numbers also and try. You had found out 2 star 1 by 3, no? You can check with 1 by 3 star 2 also. Using this example also check answers. If you want direct formula also you can check. And if you see it is not the same. Okay. Here it is A, 1 time A. Here it is 12 times A. Here it is 12 times B. A star B is not equal to B star A. So not commutative. You can put numbers also and check. Okay, you can first try with 2 star 1 by 3 which you already found out. Then you can try with 1 by 3 star 2. And if you see, answers will not be the same. Okay, whichever way they will not mind. You just have to show it is not commutative. Okay, so we'll stop here. I'll take a class tomorrow. Let's see if we can finish. Let's see how it goes. Okay, those who have copied.
School परीक्षा नसतं मग काय अवस्था मग
Thank you, teacher.